Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anthony Wall Street Trader, 2:27 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday, October 27, 2021. This is not financial advice, it's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell to be notified when these videos come out, as well as that thumbs up and share the video. We're talking about the greatness of the graph and the relentlessness of RLC. Intraday updates are on that Twitter link below. Let's go take a look at the market. Right now, we're looking at the graph relative to dollar, 98.44, and quite frankly, I think this thing has performed relatively well in light of all things going on. We've had a big Bitcoin dive impacting not only graph, not only RLC, but plethoras of other altcoins. Maybe not Shiba, but Shiba's going to turn out just like Doge. Wait and see on that one. Anyway, so graph relative to dollar is over this line of what was once resistance, now support. This is our spaceship. This is the hull of the spaceship, and I'm going to just zoom out here so everyone can see it. Right, this is the green line, which goes all the way back to February of 2021. We came all the way down. We touched the green line very quickly and bounced back very, very fast, as you can see right here. We were as low as 87. Man, that would have been a great opportunity. For those who got in, congrats. This is a great buying opportunity down here. We're back at 98 cents. So you probably made, if you bought it at the low, you were up at least 10, 11, 12% right now. Now, I believe that the graph will continue its trek back up. It's all sort of contingent on Bitcoin. We're going to go into that in a little bit. But let's just take a look over at the graph relative to Bitcoin. Now, the graph relative to Bitcoin right now is sitting over the 1572 area. Over here, we have another line of support, once resistance, then support, then resistance again. So what I'm looking at right now is it's using it as a line of support. We bounced back off up into 1665. This line of support is roughly around 1570. I think we're good, and we're over that for now. Going to keep our eye on this, but this is definitely an area where I think we kind of almost went all the way down to here at 1428, but bounced very quickly back over the 1574 number. So in the meantime, I think we're going to try to still get through this line of resistance right here. We were almost through it until this morning. I think we would have went up another leg had Bitcoin not reversed its position overnight. In the meantime, RLC US dollar pair is also doing pretty well in light of everything going on. Just kind of dippy-doo down there and back over this support line. It's 379. This is important that we stay over this for now, and we'll see how things pan out. But even more impressive, just as impressive, is right here. We're just over that horizontal line of support on the RLC Bitcoin pair. We're currently trading 65.82 on it, but we have a pretty formidable line of support around 6,500, 6,532. We've been down it before, but very quickly and pulled back up. So I think we're going to continue back on the sideways trajectory in between the current line of resistance of 73.35 and 65.62. Feel very bullish still on altcoins, and I'm going to go through that in a second, but let's just understand what's going on with Bitcoin. Bitcoin definitely took a nosedive overnight. We were up to 61, and then bam, just like that, started pulling in at a low of around 58,000. So yeah, look, this could be our current low. If we do drop further, and this does turn into being a head and shoulders pattern, which it sort of looks like, we could be coming down to 54,000, which would be the completion of this head and shoulders pattern as I see it. In the meantime, over to Bitcoin dominance, and this is where I think if Bitcoin can stabilize here, Bitcoin dominance seems to be wanting to go down. So I think we have it came back ruthlessly as a result of this morning's Bitcoin subtle crash, I would say. But we were only down 5 or 6%. It wasn't monumental, but still 5% in Bitcoin changes starts creating fear in the altcoin market, and that's exactly what you see here. There was a huge spike from 44 all the way up to 45.5, clearing out a lot of scared holders in the altcoin market. So good for those who pick some up in the height of the fear this morning. In the meantime, let's go back to the graph. We're really pulling back nicely. It's 98 cents. And if we zoom out a little bit more, we can see that we're officially over this once resistance line, now acting as support. I think we have a much further ride up. In the meantime, RLC, same thing. I think we're going to be floored at the 380 from here on in until we clear Bitcoin US dollar and make sure that we don't get all the way down here to 54,000. That would kind of suck across the altcoin market as well, but got to continue to keep our eye on this, and hopefully we've bottomed here. But in the meantime, I'm out. Catch up soon. Bye.